How to change Cash App background. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I'll guide you on how you can change a Cash App background, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now, changing a Cash App background could basically mean that by default whenever you open Cash App you have this little boring, always green type of theme, and within the settings of Cash App of course we won't be able to change it, but there is a specific setting within our Android smartphone or iOS as well, which is a feature called color filter or maybe color inversion, which is going to basically invert the colors to something darker or something lighter depending upon the current color. To actually do this procedure, just swipe down your control panel settings or your quick settings. Now in my case I've already added the color inversion to my control center like this. Once I've done that, most likely whenever you open it up you'll be able to see a different type of theme, and as you can see it's kind of in a dark mode right now because it is reverting all of the colors that are currently there, as you would be able to find there. And this is the only thing that we can do currently. There aren't any type of other things. Now another thing you can do, of course, you can choose a color filter. You can simply choose what type of colors that you want to use in this case as well. Hope this video helped you clear your doubts as to how you can change Cash App background, but from within the app as well you will not be able to do so. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.